gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
Krtajna's architectural design seamlessly integrates sustainable living with the beauty of nature. The impressive entrance establishes the ambience for the entire property, offering both seclusion and a strong connection to the natural surroundings. The living area seamlessly integrates with the outside environment, while the bedrooms provide a sense of solitude and ample space. To reduce the need for air conditioning and minimize energy consumption, the bedrooms and offices are connected to a breezeway. The tranquil sound of the river rapids, which fluctuates according to rainfall, exudes a soothing and invigorating ambience. With its expansive living area, soaring ceilings, and awe-inspiring panoramic views, the house creates an immersive experience that evokes a profound connection with the natural world. The property has been designed with sustainability in mind, incorporating biophilic principles and permaculture gardens that promote the overall well-being of its residents. The atrium boasts a copper wall that not only deflects electromagnetic fields, but also serves as a symbol of love, symbolized by the planet Venus. The aluminum windows are designed in a neutral gray color, blending seamlessly with the surrounding environment. The focus of the design is to showcase the beauty of nature without the need for artificial colors or artwork, allowing the natural surroundings to take center stage.